Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to customize the markers on your map. There are 3 ways to do it: by category, by individual location, or by applying the same marker to the whole map. Let's go through each option. Category markers. Let's start with the category level. This means every location in that category will share the same marker style. To set it up, open the category menu and select the category you want to customize. Then expand Marker Style Customization. Here, you can choose between using one of our built-in markers or uploading your own image. Let's use a built-in marker for now. Pick a shape. You can choose between pin, circle, or floating. Floating means there's no shape around the content. Next, choose what goes inside the marker. You can leave it empty or show an icon, some text, or a serial number. Please note, adding content to the marker will automatically change the shape to circle. To use an icon, just type a keyword and select one from the gallery. If you choose text, you can write a short label. Serial numbers will automatically number each marker based on the location order. You can also adjust the color and size. And if you're using a circle marker, you'll see extra options to add a border and set its thickness. Location markers. Now let's look at the location level. This lets you customize markers individually, even within the same category. For example, a sponsor's logo can be used to make them stand out from vendors. To customize a location marker, open the location and go to Marker Style Customization. By default, it will use the style from the category, but you can switch to New Design to customize it separately. You'll see the same customization menu as before. For this example, let's upload a custom image. Here's a pro tip. Use a circular image with a transparent background so it blends seamlessly with your map and stands out more. Unique map marker. For this case, you can have one single marker applied to all locations, which is useful if you want a consistent look across your map. If you want to use the same marker for all locations, go to Settings, Markers, and enable the Marker Override option. From here, you can customize the marker just like we did before. And that's it! Customizing your markers helps make your map more engaging and easier to read. Try it out, and if you need help, just click the chat button.